Hello, CHS. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Jamie, and this is Columbia Cougar News.
Senior portraits are today and tomorrow from 2:30 to 9 p.m. in the CHS auditorium, by appointment only. Go to lorestudio.com for more information.
The CHS Cougar Marching Band is looking for an electric bass player to join for the fall 2022 season. Anyone who is interested should email Mr. Bauer or stop by the band office, C231.
In keeping up with music, some members of our CCN team went out into the hallways to find out what people are listening to.
Okay, I pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends say they love to get naughty.
Excuse me, what song are you listening to?
No song.
No song? What are you listening to?
Summer Walker by,
Yo, excuse me, what song are you listening to right now?
Hurry Up Harry.
Bye.
Sham 69.
Thank you.
Faster.
Excuse me? What song are you listening to? Yeah. Hi, Travis Scott.
I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah.
I'm with Duncan, and I want to know, what song are you listening to?
I'm listening to Mob Love by Glock 40 Straz.
I'm here with Saxby, and
What's
I
up,
want to
Cooper?
know, what song are you listening to?
I'm listening to Wolves at the Door by Senses Fail.
Excuse me, Mr. Camp, what song are you listening to?
This is Get Along by Kenny Chesney.
Get along down the road.
Chromebook repairs are coordinated through the library. You need to fill out the form found at the link to indicate that your Chromebook is broken and then drop it off at the library.
Seton Hall University is sponsoring an essay contest on digital citizenry. That is being funded by a grant from the New Jersey Council for the Humanities. The deadline is November 11th. For more information, see the link posted on campus.
The Yearbook Club is hosting a yearbook cover contest. The winner gets their artwork displayed on this year's cover. Participation is open to all students. For more information, scan the QR code or talk to a member of the Yearbook Club.
And while it may be a new year of CCN, that doesn't mean we're not bringing back some of our old-time favorites. Here is MapsoDelicious.
Thanks for introducing us, Jamie Squared. I'm Georgie.
And I'm Juliet.
And this is MapsoDelicious.
We're here at Sabatino's, better known as Sabs, and we're going to be reviewing some of its craziest slices.
So here I have the barbecue mac and zucchini with balsamic.
And then I have the buffalo mac. Let's dig in.
Yeah, I'm going to give this slice a 9 out of 10. The mac and cheese flavor is perfect. It's not too overpowering and got like the nice little spread of barbecue. I'm interested to see how the buffalo compares. It's just a little bit, I would say, too much cheese.
Alright, I'm also going to give this slice a 9 out of 10. It's very high quality, some good buffalo sauce on there. I would also have to agree with Georgie saying that it's just a little too cheesy, but honestly I love cheese, so I don't really mind it.
So this slice we have here is actually a recommendation from our own Jamie Farden. It has zucchini, looks like mozzarella, some ricotta cheese, and balsamic, so let's give it a try. So I really had some doubts about this slice, wasn't sure if all the flavors were going to mesh, but I honestly love it. You got a little bit of the sweetness with the dressing, and then the zucchini's nice. It's like got a little char on the top, you know, and the cheese is like the perfect amount. I give this one a 9.5 out of 10.
And lastly, shout out to Sabs for the complimentary cookies, and shout out to Dana for her amazing service.
So overall, we think it was great food, amazing service. We can tell why it's so popular here.
We give Sabatino's a 9.8 out of 10. Thank you for tuning in to MapsoDelicious. Back to the studio.
Remember, everyone, there is no school on Wednesday for Yom Kippur.
And Thursday is a half-day schedule for back-to-school night. Dismissal will be at 12 p.m.
Those are all your announcements for this week, CHS. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Jamie. Remember, teachers, club advisors, and team captains, if you have an announcement that you want to have read on our show, make sure you email it to Mr. Camp.
Have a great week, everyone, and make sure to tune in next Monday at the top of second period for another episode of CCN.
And be sure to check out our CCN YouTube channel for more great content at Columbia Cougar News.
Right now, New Jersey's children and youth are dealing with a lot. Anxiety and depression are running high, and many youth, just like you, are suffering in silence. Growing up today, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, like you're going through this alone. You're not alone, and we can be there for each other.
Hey, are you okay? Can we talk?
If you're worried about someone, reach out. Connect. Point them to help if it seems like they need it. The New Jersey Department of Children and Families offers support to children and youth in crisis. Help is available by phone and text message whenever you need it. Every life is important. Be there for a friend. Reach out, speak up, and know where to turn if you're feeling overwhelmed. Suicide should never be the answer, and connections matter more than you think. Growing up can be hard. Getting help shouldn't be.